babae ay kalubuyan ng isang private at siya raw ay isang masong hindi niniwala sa Diyos.
Na hindi masyadong natatalakay kasi napakasela. Ayon sa isang memoir ng isang kabitenyo. Yes, that says on its break. We'll find out if you can break that when we return.
Hoy, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Sira ulo ka talaga eh, no? Hindi ko i-cheat, malamang meron.
Ito si Hernandez, he needs more opportunity. Smack it, set right to you right now, Gables.
Sarap! Jolly Spaghetti!
Michael! Perfect!
Jolly Spaghetti, 50 pesos lang.
After ko, yes mo, after ko makagraduate ng college, yung first course ko, ng mga kawit. Parang sumisigit-sigit sila. So, paano ko yun kinukuha?
Nakita mo ba? Alam niyo, bro, kanina pa ka tinatawag. Nakikalan. It's really, ang ganda ng dynamics nung samahan ng team. I see.
Cautious. Let's spell it and read it together. Anytime. If your schedule allows, right? Well, actually, sa families, I would like to emphasize, pwede naman not really the sex part ang pag-usapan. Oh, sige. Paano kung malaman saan ako pupunta pag alam na yung palakasan pala? Physical safe spaces are being abused already or nag-trespass na. So, ganun ang start sa
5 attacks before that Lasal game. It was reduced to 8 to 7.5 in that
Napababa.
game. So talagang malaking diferensya. We'll see.
Babantayan natin ngayon kung kaparin-parin ng numero kasi nasa thirds, two-thirds, yung na... Igit ay pagmasan, iyak pa, tutugtasan. This is my delegate. Learning for a better future. Healthcare should come with no barriers. Kalusugan Plus